Hi, this is Sachin Dingia. Today I am back to the new topic LGBT, lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender. We have a duty, for the LGBTQ because we live in that kind of society. We do not talk to about the LGBT and LGBT rights. So now this time we have a stand of the LGBTQ. We talk to them and we how to communicate with them and how to care with them. LGBTQ is a most precious part of our society, but society is differ to for the many other reason. But some are the issue of the LGBTQs people. We have a many problems to how to connect with them and how to communicate with them, how to conduct with them. But this society is very stereotypical and orthodox thing. They do not talk to one about to them, and they do not talk to have any rights for to communicate with them. But LGBTQ is a main part of society. There is a precious part of our society. So now we have a talking. What is the meaning of the LGBT? The terms lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender describe distinct group within the gay culture. The early initiative for people who were gay focused mostly on men. So, in an attempt to draw attention to issues specific to gay women, lesbian is often listed first. People who are bisexual or transgender have been traditionally left out or underrepresented in research, study, and health initiative. It is now considered standard to include these two groups along with gay men and lesbian. Why is LGBT an ethical issue? In many societies around the world, lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender people are subjected to abuse and attacks. Gender and sexual minority are excluded and stigmatized because whom they are. Alarmingly, many countries still have laws and policies that specifically make homosexuality a crime. There are 10 challenges. Since that time, lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and queer awareness and rights have made significant strides. However, for many LGBTQ students attending school and participating in class, still trigger many moments of uncertainty, stress, anxiety, or fear. The first of reason whether to come out in class, either publicly during class, participation or privately in class assignment. The when outside of class, whether to acknowledge or hide one's sexual orientation and or gender identity when conversing the fellow student, teachers, and staff. How to respond when a fellow student, instructor, counselor, and or staff automatically assume that one is heterosexual and engage in heterosexual talk. Gay male student, one day you will carry a nice woman and settle down. Is that for how to respond when one hear disregarding any LGBTQ remarks from fellow student, teachers, counselor, and staff, whether the comment are made innocently, jokingly, or maliciously. Fifth, how to respond when a fellow student, teacher, counselor, or staff learns about the LGBTQ student sexual orientation, gender identity, and begins to treat the student differently and distance more impatient and dismissive or marginalized and judgmental. The sixth, how to respond when someone learns about the LGBTQ student sexual orientation, gender identity, begins to make negative, stereotypical assumption and of become hostile, relatively when being praised or bullied for one's sexual orientation, gender identity, whether to report the incident to campus authorities, and concern over whether school official will investigate and take the incident seriously. Number 7. When a new platonic friendship forms inner conflict over whether to come out at the new friend and anxiety over how to the new acquaintance might respond. Number 8. After coming out of the new platonic friend of the same gender, whether is the LGBTQ student verbal and non-verbal communication will be misunderstood and interpreted with bias. Number 9. After coming out, how to cope with negative gossip and social circles and peer groups. including social medias. Number 10, whether to go along with or speak up against the many signs of heterosexual, cisgender, privilege and assumption on campus. The homophobia and sexual identity, sexual orientation related stress, see references, does not identify with any gender. First of all, aromantic experience little or no romantic attraction to other people, and asexual experience little or no sexual attraction to other people. Number 3, biromantic, romantically attracted or two or more sexes or gender. Number 3, bisexual, sexually or romantically attracted to two or more sexes or gender. Number 3, cisgender, sex assigned to birth confirmed to identify or live gender. Demiboy, only partly male regardless of sex assigned at birth. Demigirl, only partly female regardless of sex assigned at birth. Demisexual, feels attraction only to those with whom they have a strong emotional bond. Gay, male is a primarily sexually or romantically attracted to other males. Gender fluid, gender fluid is to and referred to over time. Gender identity, deeply felt sense of being female or male, neither both are something other than female and male, does not necessarily correspond to sex. Assigned at birth, gender non-conforming, does not conform to stereotypical appearance, behavior or traits associated with the sex assigned at birth. Gender queer, identities as neither male or not female, both male and female, or a combination of male and female, and not within the gender binary. Lesbian, female is primarily sexually or romantically attracted to other female. LGBT, lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, non-binary identity as neither male nor female. Pansexual, sexual or romantic attraction is not restricted by sex assigned at birth, gender or gender equality. Sexual orientation, sense of attraction to or sexual desire for individual for the same sex, another sex, both are neither. Transgender, sex assigned at birth does not conform to identified or live gender. How can students support LGBT? 5 things you can